Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make text different color in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, click in new layer and type text, press Ctrl T, hold Shift, resize it, hold Ctrl, align middle, and create again new layer or use this layer, create a new layer and click a shape, effects, gradient overlay, select gradient color, is right click, convert to smart object, again right click, raster layer, then go to filter tab, liquify and use mix color. Okay, and click OK. Then right click, create a clipping mask and select the text, type anything, click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.